Namaskar, myself Dr. Supreet welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today date is 15th February and we will start with the weather observed during last 24 hours. So dense fog reported in isolated pockets of Assam and Meghalaya, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. Also light to moderate rainfall or snowfall at some places over Arunachal Pradesh is also recorded, and light to moderate rainfall at isolated places over Assam and Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim and Andaman Nicobar Island is also reported. Now we will see the maximum temperature scenario over our country during past 24 hours. So day temperature or maximum temperatures have fallen by 1 to 2 degrees centigrade at many places over East India, Peninsular India and Saurashtra and Kutch. It has also increased by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade at many places over Northwest India and Madhya Pradesh. Yesterday, the highest maximum temperature of 38.0 degrees centigrade was reported at Palakkad, Kerala over the India. So maximum temperature departure scenario in this picture you can see. So day temperatures continue to be markedly above normal, 5.1 degrees centigrade or more at isolated places over West Rajasthan. Day temperatures continued to be appreciably above normal, 3.1 degrees centigrade to 5 degrees centigrade at isolated places over Punjab and East Rajasthan. Day temperatures continued to be above normal, 1.6 degrees centigrade to 3 degrees centigrade at few places over coastal Karnataka, at isolated places over Western Himalayan region, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Konkan and Goa, Saurashtra, Kutch and Kerala and Mahe. Now we'll see the minimum temperature, and this image shows minimum temperatures recorded during last night. So night temperatures have raised by 3 to 6 degrees centigrade over many parts of Rajasthan and East Madhya Pradesh, by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over many places in remaining parts of Northwest India and Bihar. It was also fallen by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade at many places over Gangetic West Bengal, Odisha, Maharashtra and Telangana. Today the lowest minimum temperature of 7.7 degrees centigrade is reported at Ambikapur, Chhattisgarh. Now we'll see, this picture shows the minimum temperature departures. The night temperatures were markedly above normal, 5.1 degrees centigrade or more at isolated places over Jammu region, Himachal Pradesh, Rajasthan and Saurashtra and Kutch. And they were also appreciably above normal, 3.1 degrees centigrade to 5 degrees centigrade at few places over Punjab, Uttarakhand, Konkan and Goa and Gujarat region, at isolated places over East Madhya Pradesh, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Yanam and Kerala and Mahe. And these minimum temperatures or night temperatures were also above normal by 1.6 degrees centigrade to 3 degrees centigrade at most places over North Indian Karnataka, at many places over Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh, Central India, East India, Peninsular India and at isolated places over Western Uttar Pradesh. Now we'll see the synoptic systems prevailing over our region. A western disturbance has struck in middle tropospheric westerlies with its axis at 5.8 km above mean sea level, runs roughly along longitude 67 degree east to the north of latitude 34 degree north, and it has an induced cyclonic circulation which lies over northwest Rajasthan and adjoining areas of South Punjab and Pakistan, and which extends up to 1.5 km above mean sea level. And there is a cyclonic circulation also over Meghalaya neighborhood, now lies over Nagaland neighborhood at 1.5 km above mean sea level, and then after that a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect Western Himalaya region from 17th February. And highlights of today's presentation will be the gradual rise in both minimum and maximum temperatures is likely over plains of northwest India and adjoining central India by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade during 16 to 19 February. And now we'll see the forecast of temperature. First we'll take up the maximum temperature. So gradual fall in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade is likely over northwest India during next 24 hours, and then there will be gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade. And gradual rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade is likely over Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh during next 4 days. No significant change in maximum temperature likely over East India during next 24 hours, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter. Rise in maximum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over West India during next 4 to 5 days. No significant change in maximum temperature likely over Telangana, interior Karnataka, Rayalaseema during next 2 days, and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter. Minimum temperature. Gradual fall in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over northwest India in the next 2 days, and then gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter. Then gradual rise in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade is likely over Uttar Pradesh and central India during next 4 days. No significant change in minimum temperature likely over East India during next 24 hours, and then gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade thereafter. Then rise in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over West India during next 4 to 5 days is also forecasted. Now we'll see the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1, that is 15th February. Dense fog warning is given over Odisha at isolated places. Also, dense fog warning over isolated places is given for sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim. And then for Arunachal Pradesh, thunderstorm lightning warning is given for today. And dense fog conditions will continue. Dense fog warning at isolated places over sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim continues for day 2, and same is the case for thunderstorm warning for Arunachal Pradesh, that is also given for day 2. For day 3 and 4 there is no major weather warning, but in day 5th thunderstorm and lightning at isolated places is given for Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. And for day 6 and 7 there is no significant weather warning given. For more details, please log on to our website mausam.imd.gov.in. Thanks for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.